Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mochi token. Now this is not the original Mochi token, this is the new one that is on the Base blockchain, Coinbase's new blockchain. This is a brand new token, so this is Mochi on Base. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it, since this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the info in just one sec, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token. So it says, the favorite cat of the Basechain, named after the CEO of Coinbase's pet cat. So originally, I'm assuming that's why this token came out and was named Mochi and was named after the CEO of Coinbase's pet cat. Brian Armstrong, I believe, is his name. And so now that they have their own chain, obviously we got to have a Mochi token on the Basechain. That only makes sense since it's named after him. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing, August 23rd at 13 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MOCHI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can find their BSC scan and the new Mexc Global announcement. If you're watching this video today, which is a day prior to its listing, there is an event going on right now. This is a Kickstarter event where there is a reward pool of a little bit over 1.3 million Mochi tokens, equivalent to 40,000 USDT. And if you check out Mexc Global on Twitter, you'll be able to see their Kickstarter event and get involved with that if you like. Now their official webpage is mochithecatcoin.com. They also have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual, at Mochi_token. And they also have a Telegram that you can find linked on their webpage as well. That is at Mochi Entry. And there is a link to Basechain if you want to check that out. Oh, sorry, I said BSC scan. Obviously, this is not on a BSC scan. This is on the Base scan. I just read that incorrectly. BSC is a totally different chain. This is on the Base chain. So right now, they have over 1,000 holders. They have 1,107 holders. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap according to their Basechain Explorer here. So let's just open that up, actually. We could check that out. So yeah, it says CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They also have a contact email on here as well. 8 decimal places on this token. Max total supply is 100 million Mochi tokens. So it's according to their CoinGecko here. It says they just recently migrated from their old contract to a new one. So there you go. 62% in the green today. Doing very well, this token. Probably because of that Mexc global announcement there. So yeah, this token is up a lot today, 62%. Now you can find their chart also on their deck screener link, which is on their web page there. So you can find a deck screener chart. So that's pretty cool as well. Now, besides that, on their web page here, they have a link to buy Mochi from Sushi Swap. So you can also get it off Sushi Swap. The cat coin of Basechain, they have the contract address. You can add Basechain to your MetaMask wallet if you want to do that right on their page. It says, "Hi, I'm Mochi, the beloved pet of Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, with my brother Toshi," and I have done a video recently on the Toshi token if you want to check that out. And then there's also Toshi BSC that came out recently, so there's a couple Toshi tokens. You can check those videos out as well. That is another cat coin. It says, "With my brother Toshi, we will overthrow dog coins and make this next bull run all about the cats. Get ready to embrace the new era of cuteness, accessibility, and innovation on-chain this summer with Mochi on Base. Join us for this exciting journey." So it says 0 tax. There is no tax on buys or sells on Mochi. So if you are going to buy this token or sell it on Sushi Swap, most likely you will not have to change slippage too much because it says 0 tax. Burnt LP, 100% of the liquidity has been burnt forever. Seifu, the contract has been renounced and will not be modified. So there is a video embedded on their YouTube channel showing, I guess, Brian Armstrong here with his cats. So you can, see that these are actual cats that he owns that they're named after. The crypto cat of Basechain. It's time to join the Mochi community and experience the heartwarming embrace of a beloved crypto companion on the brand new Basechain. So besides that, there's not really any info on this token. It seems like this is very much just a meme coin with 0 to no utility and is just, named after a cat and on the Basechain. That's pretty much about it. It's got a 24-hour trading volume of $159,000 right now, fully diluted valuation of $1.1 million. Their Twitter has 1,407 followers. They just joined in August 2023 on Twitter. 108 posts, though, so they're very active on Twitter with the blue verified check mark. And their Telegram has 1,894 members, 297 online. So they're doing pretty well. Go check it out, mochithecatcoin.com, and you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global tomorrow. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Check out the Patreon link down there. Check out my Facebook in the description box. All that good stuff. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.